So I'm here at the launch of the iPhone 16 and here's everything you need to know in under 6 minutes. Everyone's just walking around, getting to know each other, filming content if they want to, like I am right now. So it's a very good vibe. Now let's start by talking about the major upgrades we're seeing from the previous generation, starting with the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus. The entire lineup has been built with Apple Intelligence rooted into its DNA. So everything is going to reflect Apple Intelligence both from hardware and software. Now the biggest addition hardware-wise is going to be the camera control. It's not really a button per se, which a lot of people thought it was going to be. There's a lot of haptics and touching and swiping involved in there, and it's actually a very good addition for the camera app specifically. You can launch up the camera very fast with just one click. It's easy, perfect for capturing moments. You can quickly launch the camera, take a photo, record a video, and adjust various settings as well. Now later in the year, we're also going to get visual intelligence, which is exactly what it sounds like. You take a picture of a specific scene and the phone using AI will be able to tell you exactly what it is. If it's an object that you can purchase, you'll be able to find purchase links or more details about it. This will also be the first base model coming in with the action button on the iPhone 16 and the 16 Plus. The iPhone 16 will also be coming with a brand new 48 megapixel fusion camera with 2x telephoto zoom. This is really good because you're basically getting two cameras in one. You can also record spatial videos and photos, and your ultra-wide camera has autofocus, giving you the capability of macro photography as well. The iPhone 16 and 16 Plus will come with the A18 Bionic chip, which will improve performance even for gaming and stuff like that. This is really good for also improving your battery life. So this will probably give you the best performance for gaming and stuff on a baseline iPhone. The iPhone 16 and 16 Plus will be available in 5 colors: ultramarine, teal, pink, white, and black. And then we've got the power-packed iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max. These are going to be the biggest displays we've seen on an iPhone, coming in at 6.3 inches on the Pro and 6.9 inches on the Pro Max. This is also going to be the sleekest iPhone yet, especially when it comes to the bezels. When you interact with the volume haptics or the power button or even the camera capture, you can actually see the bezel move in. We kind of saw this with the iOS 18 beta update. As far as the camera goes on the Pro, they're really pro. So of course you get the 48 megapixel fusion camera this time around, but they've upgraded the ultra wide camera to 48 megapixels as well, which means you're getting higher resolution even with the ultra wide, which in turn means your macro shots are going to be much higher resolution. You can now even take super high resolution photos at 48 megapixels and the 12 megapixel for the low light capture, and it combines that intelligently using AI as well to give you a 24 megapixel resolution photo, which is smaller, which retains that light information as well as the details from the 48 megapixel. Now in terms of video, you're getting 4K 120 FPS on this, which is like buttery smooth slow motion. It is incredible, and you can shoot that in Dolby Vision HDR. The greatest part about this is the way you can actually interact with that 120 FPS footage has been changed as well. So you can go from 24 FPS to playback at 30 FPS to playback at 60 FPS, 120, whatever you want, all seamlessly. There's actually so much stuff I want to talk about specifically in the camera for the Pro, but if I do that, this video is going to be just crazy long, and I feel like it needs a dedicated video of its own. So just wait for that one, please. No, it's okay. Come in. What do you think is the biggest hardware update for the iPhone 16 series?
Hardware is the new camera, of course. Okay. I have a weakness for the cameras. The new ultra-wide 48 megapixel would look, I think, astonishing, especially in night shots.
Incredible. Love that. So camera number one for our friend here. Check him out. I'm going to link him down in the description. As far as processor goes, you're actually getting the A18 Pro Bionic chipset on this, which is super fast, efficient, great for your battery life, and it's just insanely powerful. The things that this thing can execute on a phone is mind-blowing. The iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max will be available in black, white, natural, and desert titanium. With that being said, the entire iPhone 16 series from the baseline to the Pro Max will be able to shoot these spatial videos and photos, and also all of them come with the different photographic styles, which lets you customize your own look and feel to each photo. These are also customizable further when you tap on them. This is a whole another video on its own, so I'm not going to talk about it right now too much. With the phones out of the way, let's now talk about the Apple Watch Series 10 and the Apple Watch Ultra 2. What's incredible is that it'll be able to detect things like sleep apnea for you even if you haven't been diagnosed yet. Problems breathing, irregular breathing, heart rate, all that combined, and give you an alert on your phone. So very, very cool feature. Amazing job, Apple. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 doesn't get a 3, it's still the 2. It's just coming with a new color, which is the black titanium finish, which makes it a lot more rugged and lightweight as well. Now let's talk AirPods. You're getting the AirPods Series 4 as well as the AirPods Max, which I was really excited about, finally coming in with new colors and Type-C. The AirPods 4 will come in 2 models, one with noise cancellation and one without noise cancellation, both at different prices. Now, both of these will come with the H2 chip, which means you have better audio processing, sound, noise cancellation, everything will work a lot better, especially with call handling and Siri. Now, that's just the major changes. I didn't put everything in this video because otherwise it's going to be 20 minutes long, and I'm too sleepy to edit this entire video. So there you have it for the major changes. We're going to be going in depth with a lot more of these, like the hearing aid capability with the AirPods, which is actually very, very cool and very useful. The fact that I think about that kind of stuff is just mind-blowing. That was my update for the Apple Launch event. I'm still here, still have to finish some content, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys follow us on Instagram and TikTok because that's where we're most active and posted live updates from these kind of events. Definitely check that out. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll see you again in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye. While editing, I just realized I completely forgot to mention that both the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max have a 5x zoom lens now. There's no more 3x. And yeah, okay, now we're done. Good night.